At a time, I was homeless, and I don't want to be homeless again. So if I want the life I want, I have to work and I have to take my life and my career seriously. Now I'm becoming an adult and I'm going to a job. This is not a day-to-day, this is your livelihood. You gotta take it seriously. My future plan is to be going to CAL FIRE. I'm already in the talks. I'm trying to get some certs and maybe next season go to CAL FIRE. That is my next goal.
Trust and talk to one another. That is literally the reason why we are a crew.
Sometimes you have to let people win because you're gonna hold on to so many things and you won't get the help. And if you don't find out sooner or later that you need help, it's gonna hurt in the end. They've helped me break out of my shell and be the man I want to be. And if you ask more questions, they'll help you no matter what. Someone's gonna be out there and they're gonna reach their hand. It's a privilege and an honor that I can still take care of myself and get the help I need.